Hi, my name is Layton Barr and you're watching Raising the Bar, helping parents turn struggle into strength and dreams into reality. That's what my main channel is about. In this episode, we are going to discuss, can I monetize my small YouTube channel week 4 analytics? If you're on your own journey, maybe you're starting a YouTube channel, maybe you've got a YouTube channel and you're interested in actually what works and what doesn't work, well, this is possibly the video for you to watch. Well, the actual series of videos for you to watch, because that's exactly what I'm doing. I've had a YouTube channel for a number of years. I've never used it. In the last 4 weeks it'll be, I decided to, let's see if I can monetize my small YouTube channel. And I started with, I believe it was 101 subscribers. So in this episode, we are going to discuss the struggles I've been having, and one of the main struggles I've been having is actually with regards to software, editing software. So in my last episode I mentioned I was going to download 2 softwares. One is called OBS Studio and the other one is called DaVinci Resolve, I think it is. I downloaded both of that software, but yeah, both of them software, who knows. However, it turns out that my laptop is struggling with processing speed due to the amount of stuff I've got on it. So the OBS Studio, after tinkering around with the camera settings, I've been able to get my camera set up, get that all working perfectly. It was stop, start, Unity, all that sort of stuff. The DaVinci Resolve, I've downloaded it, but I've not been able to use that yet because it's just, yeah, it's just my processing speed basically just isn't there for it. So at this moment in time, I've worked mostly on the OBS Studio than I have DaVinci. So the next video that's going to be coming produced using the OBS software. It's got some really cool features to it, to be honest with you. So yeah, I can't wait to show you that actually. So yeah, that's going to be in the next video. Today's Sunday, because I launched these analytics videos on Sundays. I did make myself accountable that I'd do it on Sundays, and today it is Sunday and I'll be launching this today. Tomorrow is going to be Bank Holiday Monday here in the UK. I'm still going to be filming the video, as I say, on the OBS platform, and I should release that tomorrow. But if you're interested in when I do actually post my videos, I normally post on a Sunday, analytics. I go live on a Tuesday at 12:30 UK time, that is. And then on a Thursday, round about lunchtime again, 12 o'clock, I post another video. Tomorrow I'm going to actually just post an extra video. And depending how I actually get on with this software, because one of the reasons I'm not producing lots of videos is because I don't know how to do the editing software yet. And I believe that's probably something that might be stopping you guys from doing it yourself. If, again, you're interested in doing your own YouTube channel and how to use the software. What I'll do is I'll use it and then I'll simplify it, and then I'll do a video on that later on. But at this moment in time, let's just concentrate on my numbers then. So just for a bit of fun, guys, what I like to do is we're playing just a little bit of a game basically. Each week I like to try and guess the stats, whether they've gone up or down with regards to my YouTube channel. Now hopefully you're not going to cheat. If you watched it last week, don't look at the stats for this week, but if you want to, I can't exactly stop you. As I say, it's just a bit of fun. But we're going to go for subscribers again this week. So how many subscribers do you think the channel has either gone up by or down by? And what I'd like you to do, if you don't mind, is comment A, B or C below. A is going to represent it's gone up 5 viewers, B is going to be down 3 viewers, and C is going to be up 1 viewer. One of them answers is correct. It's either A, B or C. So just comment below which one you think it is, and I'll give you the answers at the end of these stats. Okay, so we've done the subscribers. Now I'm going to show this. There we go. My watch hours is at 7.5, as you can see, and my views is at 1.0 thousand. Now my views last week was 957, and my watch hours last week was at 6.7. So the numbers are obviously increasing, which is fantastic. Thank you very much, because I believe it's the first 30 seconds of a video that engages with the audience that counts towards them watch hours. So thank you very much for watching my videos, because as you know, I think I've got to get to 40,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours. I'll correct that at some point. But yeah, one of the things I'm struggling with though is I can't find any information on the actual watch time hours, whether they're numbered up to 10, 12 or 24. I've got numbers at the end 0.7, 0.5, 0.9. I'm guessing it's at every 10, but I don't know that for sure. Again, if you'd like to comment below and tell me, that'd be good. Yeah, so views, watch time hours, your subscribers, you put your guess A, B or C below. I'm going to show you what the top content was for the last 7 days. Remember, the subscribers channel and the analytics I've just showed just for the last 28 days. This is for the last 7 days. So these are the channels that are popular to the audience, you know, the top viewing, as you can see there. Thank you very much. Apparently, the shorts don't count towards your watched hours on the main part of this. You've got to do like 3 million watch hours or something, or 3 million views. I'm not entirely sure on that. But I'm just doing my shorts. So the way I'm using my shorts is I film the video like this, and then I'll find a bit where it's actually engaging, or hopefully it's engaging for the audience, and then I'll cut that bit into a short, and then when I post the video, I'll add the main video to, I'll link the main video to that short. So then if someone is interested in watching the rest of that video, or the video from the beginning, it's there in the short. Now I didn't do that, I'm sorry, the link of the video is in the short. Now I didn't do that last week, I did the week before, but not last week. So these watch hours are actually, I know they're down by 11, sorry, I got 11 views down. But to be honest with you, I think they're pretty good, because when you look at the top content and the number of views, this hasn't been funneled in from the shorts. This has come, like I say, directly from people watching my video, subscribers on my channel. So yeah, so thank you very much, guys. So, right, I think I've waffled on enough, and I've held you in suspense for long enough. So let's just jump right in. If you commented A, B or C, and you said C, I've gone up 1 subscriber, you was correct. I've gone up 1 subscriber to 109. So thank you very much, because every single subscriber counts. And if you're in the UK and you've been watching the local elections, then you know that every single vote counts, because some party recently won votes by just 6 votes. So, same thing with my subscribers. Every single one of my subscribers helps me to get closer to that goal of monetizing my channel. And at this moment in time, the countdown is, I have 891 subscribers. I need to find, or need to subscribe. So if you know someone that could be interested in this channel, then please just let them know. Just sort of tell your friends and family. But I only want you to subscribe to the channel if you're going to find the content I'm posting, how can I, helpful to you guys. That's all. That's what the channel's all about. And as I get more professional in delivering of this and learning out the software, hopefully you guys will find my content more engaging. If there's a topic that you would like me to discuss that may help a friend, a family member, then just comment below in the messages and I'll see if I can actually do a video on that. Now, if you don't know, I've been an entrepreneur for 30 years. That's 3 decades. Yeah, you can tell by all the greys in my hair. I've had the highs, I've had the lows, I've had the wins, I've had the losses, I've had the successes, I've had the failures, I've had the successes again. It's been a right roller coaster ride. So I'm not starting out on a journey without experience, guys. So if there's something that's troubling you, comment below and let's see how I can help you. Because by posting a video for you on your specific topic, There may be other people. There usually is, to be honest with you. There will be other people that'll be interested in that topic. So yeah, so to move this forward, if you've got any comments, etc., then post them below, please, and that help me to get some content. No, sorry, it'll help me find them some ideas, which then I'll do content on. So at this moment in time, guys, I think that is a wrap. I've run through the numbers, just run through them again. Yeah, from 108 to 109 this week. Thank you very much for that subscriber. I'm sorry I don't know your name. You didn't comment in the box. If you do want to subscribe, I'd love for you to subscribe, as I say. And you'd like me to just give you a quick shout out while I've got the time and I'm able to do that, then yeah, please just subscribe and I'll give you a shout as and when I can. I'm going to look into Patreon as well, actually. I think you can do something with Patreon where you can get people's names on that, but who knows? Who knows? We will see. Yeah, so I think that's a wrap, guys. As I say, I will see you on Tuesday for a live, hopefully 12:30 UK time. I'll post my next video probably on Monday. I've been messing around with software, like I say, so we'll get that one posted tomorrow. And then again, I'll be doing another video on Tuesday release. So, and then it's end of week analytics on Sunday. So a week from today will be week 5, obviously. So thank you. Have a fantastic week.